Hey guys, this is Sam from Family Castoffs, and today we're going to be showing you a variety of seafood. So what we have over here is, this is a nice big piece of swordfish, see that? We also have some lobster tail, and we're going to be steaming that later on in the video. We have this, which we're going to show you how to make shrimp cocktail sauce. And I'm going to be using this knife right here. It's made by Brad Thomas, my stepdad. He's very good. You guys should go check him out. At BT Custom Knives. Alright. Instead of just making this whole thing one dish, I'm going to show you guys separate ways how to make swordfish. That's it right there. Okay, so what we're going to do is this orange juice, we're going to pour some of this in this bowl. We're going to take some adobe seasoning. We're going to add some of these peppers right here, bell pepper. And then we're going to use some pink Himalayan salt. I like this better than regular salt because it has minerals and it's good. Alright, so start the time lapse. So what we have right here is I took this swordfish and I cut them thinner so that we can cook them in the pan over there. See that? So now what we're going to do is put some butter, some garlic. We have some Old Bay seasoning. That's really good. We have some lemon and lime juice. We're going to put it in here and then we're going to let the fish soak. Okay, what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to show you what I will put in the pan for when we're making our swordfish piccata. Got it? So what we're going to do, add some butter like last time. That'll all melt down. Add some garlic too. Some capers. I'm going to do some lemon juice. And we're also going to put extra virgin olive oil. I like extra virgin olive oil, it's my choice. So what we're going to do, just add a little bit of that in there. Like that. And now I'm going to grab a spatula. We're going to stir this up. So what we're going to be doing right now, I'm going to show you the steps on how to make the breaded fish. We're going to use some seasoned crispy fish fry, Louisiana. So what we're going to do first, you take your fish, you cover it all in flour, and you put it in your milk, like that. Then what you want to do, just let it in there. Then after, we're just going to keep doing this, and then we're going to shake up the bag. So what we're going to do now is we're going to put some of these potatoes in there so they can boil, and then we're going to steam the lobster. Put a few there. We have some water in there so that the potatoes can boil and the lobster can get steamed. So just going to drop a few of these in there. Now what we are going to do is we are going to put the lobster tail in the steaming pot. So as you can see, there's no water in there. Now we're going to take some peppers. We're going to put it in there with the lobster so that it gets more flavor. More peppers. Right there. And now what we are going to do is we are going to put the top on it like that, so it traps the steam in there, and the lobster will get cooked. Okay, so what we're going to be doing on this part is we're going to be making some cocktail sauce for the shrimp. What you want to do, take a little bit of this horseradish stuff right here, put it in there. You're going to do a little bit of your ketchup. And just stir that up right there. See that? Now what we're going to do is add some of this Worcester sauce. Got a little bit of it in there, right? We're also going to add a little more ketchup. Alright, so what we're going to do now is we're going to take this lobster right here that we just cooked. We're going to put it right here on our plate. Straighten that out. Put it like that. We're going to take the peppers right here. We're going to put these on one side of it. Then we're going to put some potatoes on the other. So this is the outcome of my dinner today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you next time on Family Cast-Offs. Peace.